morning, children. So, dear parents, greetings for you. I just want to say something. Till now, I have given many worksheets regarding 4 subjects. So, only few they have completed and they submitted to us in the group. But the remaining, they didn't even touch. Today, I made calls to few parents, but they were saying that they don't know how to do and children are not showing interest. Those all things. But the thing is, I already intimated that you should take a printout of that PDF worksheets and then you have to do and you have to submit in the group. So, still so many children did not touch and did not submit us. So, this week full I am giving time. I mean till Friday I am giving the time to post all your worksheets of English, Maths, EVS and Telugu. Take a printout from outside in the Xerox shop or somewhere else. You just take a printout and do the worksheet and submit us in the group. Submit to admin number Mrs. Saujanya Madam. So she will post in the group. But everybody should do it because this is the revision. This is the model papers which I have given. And next week from 13th onwards you people are going to have a quarterly exam. SA1 exam. So what are you going to write without doing these worksheets? Because most of them are not showing interest to write in the homework books, classwork books. You people were saying the same thing whenever I call you. So at least if you do these worksheets, you will have an idea of the model exam paper. So what I am saying and what I am requesting you is take a printout of the papers, of the worksheets and do the things and submit by Friday. Everybody should submit. These also marks I will include in the summative 1 exam. So from 13th onwards you will be having summative 1 exam and within 2 days you will get the syllabus sheet. So prepare well and I wish you all the best. So these 4 days already I have completed my revision part to you, but you people did not complete. So till Friday I am giving you the time. You just take your own time and complete it and submit us. So these 4 days I am not going to send you any worksheets or any classes. I will send you only the drawing, coloring part. Because till now I know many of them they have done their best and they posted. So for the revision sake, for doing the things, you have to do all the pendings. Because of that these 4 days I am not going to take any classes. But only the drawing and coloring and activity part I am going to send you these 4 days. That means one side is this and one side you have to complete all your worksheets. So I am giving you the time. Did you understand? Already I gave the time. Within time you didn't complete. So I am giving you the extra 4 days. So that you just complete and post it. So meanwhile these 4 days I am going to give you these 4 drawing sheets. Drawing and coloring sheets. Here we have to draw a flower and we have to do the coloring. That I will do it and I will show you. And here with the sketch pens we have to give all the patterns. And we have to complete this page. This also I will do it and I will show you. So that you can do. And in activity book, craft and painting book, page number 9, tortoise, color paper tearing activity is there. And also in page number 3 we have, 4, we have owl. Paper tearing activity. These 4 sheets for 4 days. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday I am going to send you. So these are small things. You just do. And apart from that you have to do your worksheets which you didn't complete and post it in the group. Did you understand? I should get all the worksheets. Then only I will give you the marks. If you want marks, you just try to complete all the worksheets. So in the book, I already told you, draw a flower, colorful heart, drawing and coloring book. Page number 6 and 7. And craft and painting, wise owl and big fat tortoise. Pages 3 and 9. These 4 I will just send you these 4 days. Okay children. But you just do it slowly. But the thing is, main thing is you have to complete all your worksheets and you have to post it for me. I will include these marks also in that. Did you understand? That's all for today. Have a nice day. See children, this is your craft and painting book, page number 3. Here they have given wise owl paper tearing activity. Tear the attached sheet into small pieces and paste on the owl as shown. So ఇక్కడ మనకి చూపించారు చూడండి. See, already they have pasted. See how they cut the paper into pieces and then they started pasting like this. So like this we have to do the things. So to do this we need a sheet, color sheet, and then scissors and Fevicol. Did you understand, children? See, you no need of going anywhere for this sheet. Already they have given in the back side of the book. See, here we have the paper. So this paper, now we have to tear it from the book. You just tear the paper from the book like this. Did you understand, children? Now cut this paper into pieces. Cut this paper into pieces. See, they have given the color code how we have to do the cutting even. So take the help of your parents and do the cutting of paper. And then fold it as you like. Start cutting small pieces. Small pieces enough. This. Like this you have to cut all 3 sheets. 3 colors we have got, right? One is pink, red, and then black. These 4 also you just cut like this, small pieces. Okay, children, like this you have to cut all 3 colors. See, children, like this we cut all the color sheets of 3 colors. Did you understand? So now just take the Fevicol and just pour a little bit of Fevicol and then take a paper and then spread the Fevicol into that empty place where we are going to paste that. You just spread it. Did you understand? I request the parents to help your children, to guide your children so that they will do. Just apply gum like this and then start pasting. See, first here we have a black color. Take piece of black color papers. Start pasting it one after the other, according to the shape which is given there. Just try to paste it. And even you can fill the blank place by cutting small papers. Like this. In the same way, here red color. Again, just pour a little bit of gum and then spread it. evenly. Then take red color papers. Like this, you can paste it. Then in the same way, pour a little bit of gum for the stomach and apply it evenly with the paper. So here you can paste pink color sheets. So start doing, children. So did you see, children, after pasting all the colors of sheets, how beautiful all is appeared on our book? Yes or no? See, the stages we followed and this is our result. See how cute it is. So hope you people also will do in the same way. That's all for today. Have a nice day.